class is scared stiff of me. And they adore me too. My children, they do anything for me. For I would give the last drop of my blood to teach them. That is why they are jealous. The other teachers and the management. But what can they do to me? However hard they try, what can they do? They're holding an inquiry if you please. But my teaching's perfect. Just because of one bit of slander? What can they do? Throw me out? Let them. I haven't hurt anyone at all. Anyone. If I've hurt anybody, it's been myself. But is that some kind of reason for throwing me out? Who are these people to tell me what I should do and what I shouldn't? I'll do what I want. I'll decide what I want to do with my life. I'll decide what I want.
Shall I go see why the others haven't arrived yet?
No, let it be. Do you know what we're going to do today, Samuel?
Yes, there was a notice by the temple. It said the Bombay Progressive Association's mock law court, yes.
But what does that mean?
That I don't know. Something to do with a court?
Quite right. Not a real one, a make-believe court.
Some fun to do with the court?
But Samuel, spreading enlightenment is also one of our prime objectives. So our chairman, Mr. Kashikar, will tell you. And then there is Mrs. Handa Drugs the Cradle. I mean, Mrs. Kashikar. What an excellent housewife the poor woman makes. But Mr. Kashikar is tied up uplifting the masses, and poor Mrs. Handa Drugs the Cradle has no cradle to rock.
You mean they have no...
Yes. Mr. and Mrs. Kashikar too needed of someone to look them after when they were old. They gave education and support to a young boy, made of toil like a slave. His name is Balu Rohde. And who else do we have? Oh, and we have a lawyer. He's such an authority on the subject that even a desperate client won't go anywhere near him. Today, however, he's a great barrister. And then there is who thinks he's a scientist but he's failed all his exams.
That sounds like a fun group of people.
And we have an intellectual too. That means someone who prides himself on bookish learning, but when there's a real life problem, he turns his head and runs away. He's not here today. He wouldn't dare.
So what's today's trial about?
A case against President Nixon for the Watergate scandal.
Good heavens!
Shh, I can hear. Come on, let's hurry.
Here it is. Found it at last. Miss Benari, that was loud. All this would have fallen down. And Mrs. Kashikar would have scolded me.
There is a little lassie deep in my heart. Whatever happens, Miss Benare, you don't want to grow up, do you?
Fine. I don't understand why one should go around with a long face. We should laugh. We should play. We should sing. And if we can, we should dance too. I mean, when your life is over, do you think anyone would give you a bit of theirs? Your life is your own. You should enjoy every moment of it.
Well said, well said.
Ponche is here.
Say what you may, Miss Benare. Ahar Ponche looks most impressive during the trial. The great scientist in the witness box. Who is it? He has just taken his exams for the second time.
Don't you laugh, Rohit. I didn't get my regional Mrs. Kashikar's charity. Nonsense.
Nonsense. Do you know, when I was young, I would cry at the slightest excuse.
In other words, the exact opposite of what you're now.
Yes, yes. And on the first day of school, I wrote in beautiful words. The grass is green, the rose is red, this book is mine till I am dead.
Oh, wow. That is beautiful. What is it again?
Rogue Day, this is a bad habit. I always tell my children not to write down everything even before you hear it. Just listen. Say to yourself slowly. Take it deep inside you. It must mingle with your blood. Then it will stay with you. You will never forget it then.
Go on, Miss Benare.
Shall I tell you a story? No. I'll recite a poem.